Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your device to an SD card and vice versa. So before I get started, I'll just capture a couple photos just so I have something to transfer. And there we go, that should be good enough. So from here, let's start off by opening up the File Manager app right here, and then go to the folder right over here. And by default it's gonna jump straight to the internal storage, so basically the storage of your device. And you can tap on the drop down, that little arrow right there, and you will also have the option of your SD card. And as you can see, the structure of it is almost identical. There is, I think, like a difference of maybe one folder, it looks like. So there's just a couple different folders, I think, in between them, but majority of them are the same folders. So to get started, if you're looking for photos, videos that you have captured with the device, they will always be located under the XIAOMI folder right here. And also you can find screenshots in here as well. So that's basically what I will be moving, the photos that I have captured. Now you can see these are just the normal photos. Then you have the RAW, which is empty in this case, but you can capture a RAW photo which just takes a little bit more space, but has a little bit more data in it. Then you have the screen recording as well, so anything that you have recorded will be on here. If we go back here, we have the downloads folder, which will contain images, files, documents, music, whatever it is that you have downloaded through either web browser, email, stuff like that. Anything that you have downloaded will be located in this folder. And then you have folders like movies, music, which usually contain files that you have placed there yourself, so you probably know that they're in there. And that's about it for the more important folders. So find whatever it is, wherever the file that you need it is located. Which for me, it's going to be in the DCIM, and it's right here. So then you want to select them, and as you can see, they have these circles on the side, so you can simply tap on it to select the files that you want to either move or copy. So this is one way you can do it. If you have a lot of photos that you, for instance, want to move, but maybe not all of them, easier way would be to select this option right here. This will check everything, and from here just deselect the options that you don't want. Or if you want to move everything, to keep it clean, it's going to be easier to select the entire folder itself. But this time around you actually need to hold the option. As you can see, there's no circle, so hold it and then you'll feel a vibration and get selected. Whichever way you select it, it doesn't really matter. The way you do it, it's basically the same. Once you select it, you choose either move or copy. So select whichever option you want. I'm going to go with the move, which will completely remove the files from where they are right now and move them to a new location. And in this case, it's going to be to the SD card. So let's tap on move. There we go. And from here, I want to move it to the SD card, so that's what I'm going to select it. And I can drop it wherever I want, either in the main directory of the SD card, or also just go back to, for instance, right here, where I already have a camera folder. So let me just go back and just drop it over here. So once I'm in the location that I want to move it to, choose paste, and there we go. So you can see right here there is a camera folder now, and all of the files that were in that folder are located now on the SD card. And if we go back to the internal storage, as you can see I'm right now in, and DCIM, this is to go back, you can see DCIM, the camera folder is now gone from here, and it's going to be only located in the SD card, and it's right over here. And the same process applies to any kind of other file, not just the photos or folders. You do it basically exactly the same. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.